It has been a busy week in St. Louis as the nation's top athletes take to the ice, but the excitement is just heating up. Tens of thousands of fans have flooded into downtown St. Louis for the weekend finals of the U.S. Figure Skating Championships at Enterprise Center. Brent Solomon spent the evening downtown to see how the surge of visitors is creating a golden opportunity for local businesses.
From the bright lights of the Enterprise Center to the crowded sidewalks of downtown, the U.S. Figure Skating Championships are in high gear. With 60,000 fans expected through Sunday, St. Louis is feeling the impact. This weekend alone projected to bring in $20 million for the region. Local restaurants like Idle Wolf are seeing the surge firsthand.
I had the gambas, like the shrimp, and I had the albondigas, which is like these meatball things.
We caught up with Chris Ely as he had just wrapped up a meal.
Local hotels, local restaurants, those kinds of things, those are the things we want to support because these are our people.
The St. Louis local joins fans who have traveled from across the country, filling up hotel rooms and keeping bartenders busy.
We are looking like a very busy weekend. Our bar has been packed since about 3:30 today, and we don't expect to slow down.
For those visiting from out of state, the experience goes beyond the rink. While athletes compete for a spot on the Olympic roster, visitors are taking the time to explore what St. Louis has to offer. Tom Pavlik from Utah is here with his wife.
Yeah, she's been planning this for months now. I've been walking around the town. We went to Campbell House. That was really very cool.
To keep the crowd safe, St. Louis police have beefed up patrols with both uniform and plainclothes officers stationed throughout downtown, all for what's both a high-stakes weekend on the ice and a high-reward weekend for the city.
This has been like fantastic, really. Wow, love it.
Brent Solomon, 5 on your side.
Officials say this success is already helping St. Louis bid for even larger events in the future. The skating championships continue tomorrow with the men's free dance and free skate competition. Then on Sunday, Team USA's figure skating team will be announced. 5 Meter Side is your home for the Milan Winter Olympics. You can catch sports reporter Corey Miller give daily reports from Italy beginning February 6th.